Hello, in this tutorial video I will show you how to create a video using video template and how to edit the slides and elements on the slides. So let's begin. Click on the create campaign and select video from templates. Enter your campaign name and select the template you want to edit. Click save and next. Now you will see there are number of slides available and included in this template. There are 7 slides included in this template with different elements. So let's begin editing the slide. This slide has 2 elements. One is text element and other is background image. When I click on the text element, it will open in a text editor. The text editor allows you to edit the text with the given limit of characters. For example, this text element has character limit of 10. You can add up to 10 characters in this text field. You can change the font color. You can change the font as well. Do not forget to save the changes you have done in this text editor. Now, to change the background image, click on the change background image button and you will get option to change the image by uploading your own image, or if you have already uploaded any image to the media gallery, or simply adding a image URL, or you can search the image from the web. From the search images, I can select any image and the image will open in the image editor. You can apply various filters available in the image editor. You can select the area which you want to display on the slide. After editing and selecting the area, click on Done. The selected image will get applied on the slide. Similarly, you can edit other slides, like this slide has background video. You can change the background video by simply searching the video on the web, or if you have already uploaded any video, it will show here. Or simply you can drag and drop and upload your own video. I will select any video from this search. Now every slide has specific length of video background. For example, the slide we are editing has a video background of 4 seconds. You will have to trim 4 seconds of video from the selected video to apply it on the selected slide. After selecting the video timeline, click on save and close and the video will get applied to this slide. But the video preview will be shown on the preview window given on the right hand side of the slide. Similarly, you can do changes to other slides, like this last slide is contact slide, where you can change the branding image, that is logo. You can change the background image. You can add the phone number. You can change the color like we did earlier. You can change the font and either I can save and draft, or I can save and continue to render this video. After clicking on save and continue, the next step is where I can select the audio tracks to apply to my video as a background. I can preview listen to these tracks by clicking on this play button, or I can simply select the track and save and render to continue rendering the video. I also get option to upload my own audio track as a background audio. I will select this track and click on save and render. The video starts rendering and it takes few minutes to render the video, and once it is rendered completely, it is shown on the dashboard. This is how we create the video from video templates by editing the slides and customizing the video as per our requirement. Thank you.